Hello everyone, I am Shalini Guliani, faculty BAJMC department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic Public Relations Society of India. So, Public Relations Society of India, that is PRSI, this is a national association of PR practitioners, was established in 1958 to promote the recognition of public relations as a profession and to formulate and interpret to the public the objective and the potentialities of public relations as a strategic management functions. The society functioned as an informal body till 1966 when it was registered under the Indian Society Acts 26 of 1961 with headquarters in Mumbai. The father figure of professional PR practitioners in India, Kali H. Modi, was the founder president of PRSI from 1966 to 1969. Chapters were launched in Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai and Kolkata till 1969. Earlier in 1965, another professional body, the Public Relations Circle, was being founded and registered in Kolkata. It was the first ever association of professional PR practitioners in Eastern India and was doing commendable work. However, at the first All India PR conference in 1968 at New Delhi, members of the PR Public Relations Circle Kolkata unanimously decided to disband the regional organization to strengthen the national body and thus forming the Calcutta chapters of PRSI in 1969. The management of the Public Relations Society of India is vested in the National Council consisting of representatives elected by all the regional chapters. The members of the society are public relation practitioners from multinational government, public and private sectors, academics and PR consultants. Hope you understand the topic Public Relations Society of India. Thank you very much.